Alright, so we got our side-by-side, some snow ice coming down, and a mattress. So we're gonna see what kind of fun we can come up with. Alrighty, so we got it rigged up. We just put a hole through the mattress and put it in the strap. That should do it. Let's see how much fun this is gonna be. The old forward with the old nittos. They might grab in this here concrete. He's getting warmed up now. Dude. What is this?
Happy birthday!
Hey, what's up and good morning, guys? This is King Rancher 13. Thank you so much for coming back to another video. So first off, I want to apologize. I'm so sorry that I haven't put up a video in I think now 3-4 weeks, and all I got to say is I'm sorry. I'm just been so bowed up. Yeah, I guess I'll give y'all an update on the land and the shop going up. Yeah, y'all ready for this? Ta-da! There's nothing that's been done. Sorry for that was a bad joke. What we're doing out here today is putting some stakes down with y'all remember from the other video, this stuff. It's called geogrid or triax geogrid stuff to help stabilize some of this road and all this road. So it's gonna be pretty expensive, but that's what I gotta do, I guess, because this road gets kind of mushy when it's wet, and so that stuff is supposed to help stabilize the base, and so I'm having rock brought in, so I gotta get cracking. But as always, I want to say thank y'all so much for watching, and if y'all haven't already, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Trying to grow the channel here a little bit. but it doesn't help when I'm not making videos for like 3 or 4 weeks. Sorry. But anyways, hopefully I'll be ramping up on videos, getting this stuff done, and then I got some goodies going on the F250 today. And later in the video, if I get wrapped up with this, I got something I gotta go pick up, and I think y'all are gonna be excited to see it. So I guess this is the easiest way of moving the stuff, by rolling and kicking it. Because picking that stuff up, it is sharp. When we were unloading, I cut my finger open on these things. It's just plastic, but pretty darn sharp. Alright. So I guess I'm gonna scoot that to the outside edge of the concrete and then roll it down that way. Alrighty, so we got a little bit rolled out, got some stakes down at the end, put one in the middle there, but my rubber mallet would not cooperate, so we're having to use one of Buddy's bumpers. But we'll see if it works. Oh yeah. All right, that'll work. I had Mr. Peanut come by, and so he was saying we should go from this road down this way so that he could bring his first load in, back it up in here. So rolling out pretty good. Putting the stakes down, I just ended up using my boots. Like, here, I'll show you here. All right, gotta make sure it's straight. I'm trying to follow this edge of gravel right here somewhat. One down here, like so. All right, now I'm gonna use my boot. Who needs a hammer? Gotta air out boots, baby. First stroke's here. Got it laid out, so I guess he's gonna come in backwards, and we'll see how she does. Well, as you can see, that did not work because this stuff is freaking wet. So, I have to figure something out here. Well, guess what I'm in? I'm in a skiddy. Alright, so now I need to take this thing and do all this stuff. Kind of wish I had a GoPro strap right here because I've got one of the new GoPros. I just haven't used it. Anyways, I guess you'll have to just see the end product. Alrighty, so we got quite a few loads in now. I actually took the skid steer back because they had somebody come and rent it, I think at 3 o'clock, and I only told him I was gonna need it for like an hour or two. So I put 2 hours on the skid steer, and now he's backing in for the last little run. So got all from the road down the curve and up this way. So this is the last little bit here, and then we're going up to town to pick up that thing I was telling you about. All right, so this is the deal I was talking about yesterday. Got the brakes all fixed up. What else? Oh, the lights fixed. Barely fit in here. What do you think?
I like it. I like it too.
Oh, Jason. Okay. All right, let's go. Did it ride good?
Sir?
Did it ride good?
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Did good through the deep.
How'd Buddy do?
Buddy's doing pretty good.
All right, so brought the chainsaw because I think I'm gonna cut a couple limbs out of this thing. Make it look a little bit nicer, you know? And get the sun a little bit underneath here so the grass grows out, because I want it to look nice. So while I'm cutting, don't stand up underneath the tree. And then when I cut it, and then it will be like, okay, we'll take a break and we'll take all the limbs and put it by underneath the tree. How about that? Sound good?
Yeah.
This should be fun. Yeah. Who wants to be a cameraman?
Me.
I got a steady hand. I got a
No.
hand.
All right, hold on. Raise your hand if you want to do it. Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by his toe. If you holler, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. My mother says to pick the very best one, and you are it. Tiger.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, it's going. All right, buddy. Here, you got to go and count. Come on, buddy.
Okay, maybe I'm not the best one for the job.
Let me do it, Haji. Give me the camera.
Here. Here. Okay, all right. So who's got the battery?
Beautiful, beautiful.
It's the mechanic.
Do not call me for your mechanical needs.
Who usually films for you?
Myself. Me, myself.
And I.
First limb going down on the land.
Zoom in on the first one.
All right, ready?
Remember the drill, don't
All right, watch out.
There she blows. Simbo. Flag money down there. Hey, I hope you're having a good day.
All right, looks like we're going to go back and get the other battery, which means
Now please ramp it one more time.
we can ramp it.
Here, let's do like a shot where we all get to ramp it like
Look how low he is.
Here, let's all ramp it 2 times.
All right, Todd, you hold this. Yeah, we'll just go around this thing.
I think it'll look a lot better when you finish cutting.
Yeah. I want it to look nice.
Especially the one right there. Right there. The one that you halfway cut.
Yeah, that one's gonna help. All right, who's up? All right, please be careful though.
Mr. Bush's turn.
Yeah.
Oh!
Okay, so this is now, I think, a couple days later or so after the boys left. It just rained yesterday, and I guess it was last night. Real bad thunderstorm, lost water and all that kind of crazy stuff. Came out to the land, and y'all remember from when I had that skid steer, I did a little something in the back corner of the property, and now it's full of water. So I guess we'll try out this little mud hole that we made and see how it does. Well, I guess that was pretty neat. Now we're just waiting on metal to go up over right there. You can see where we spread all that rock and stuff, and we're just sitting here waiting for the crews to show up with all the equipment to start going up on the building. I don't know if I guess I might cut this video short here. There was some other there was something I was gonna do on the King Ranch, but my wife had to take it to her Army training this weekend in Lake Charles, so she had to go out of town and visit her mom as well, so she still isn't back in town for me to do something to it. But I guess I will have to put it for a part 2. And again, guys, I'm so sorry that I haven't put up a video in a while. When the shop goes up, we'll definitely be doing a lot more videos because then we'll have the space to be able to have trucks down and have a place to work inside of all the time, any hours of the day, night. So it'll be pretty exciting. I can't wait. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, at least of what I just threw together. If it's crap, just let me know down in the comments below that it's crap. But I hope y'all understand. Man, we've just been so busy, been making sure we're hustling. We've been putting in a lot of overtime in a lot of different areas to make this happen. And so hopefully y'all are enjoying it. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Check out our website, outdoortrucks.com. We just got a few little items there, but if you don't see what you're looking for, make sure to give us a call, 318-594-9009. All right, talk to you later. Bye.